So now we are looking at bonding in coordination compounds. You can see the first type is octahedral complexes. First I have taken hexacyanoferrate 2 ion, which is FeCN6 4 minus. Now your first step would be to find the oxidation state. So the oxidation state will be found out by finding, say I'm finding out for X, minus 6 is equal to minus 4, so X is equal to plus 2. Although in the formula itself it is given plus 2 is its oxidation state. You also know how we write iron 26 in SPDF notation. So if we write it in SPDF notation, you will get 3d6 4s2. You also remember that first we fill up 4s2, then we come to 3d. So 3d6 is filled later, but it is before 4s. So rewrite it when you are writing down the electronic configuration. Put 4s outside because 4s is the outermost electron. Now, if I'm writing Fe2 plus ion, Fe2 plus ion means that I have to remove 4s electrons. The 2 electrons from here get the 4s electrons are gone, and that is why it becomes Fe2 plus. So loss of these 2 electrons makes it Fe2 plus ions. So now Fe2 plus contains 3d6. If I write in box notation, it becomes like this. So 3d6 can be written this way. Now, under the influence of strong ligand, if strong ligands are present, cyanide is one of the strongest ligand, then pairing of electrons takes place. So after pairing of electrons takes place in this 3D, you can see that there are 2 empty orbitals present here in D. And since we were in 4s earlier, so 4s is also present, 4p is also present. They are all vacant. And we have 6 ligands here. So 6 ligands require empty spaces because ligands give always a pair of electrons. So a pair of electrons can come inside these empty orbitals, forming the hybridization as D2sp3. 2 of here, 1 here and 3 here. So D2sp3 hybridization takes place, and the shape becomes octahedral, and the molecule is diamagnetic in nature because there are no unpaired electrons here. So if there are no unpaired electrons, we call them as diamagnetic. So the entire molecule, you need to know, is octahedral in shape. Its hybridization is D2sp3 hybridization, and it is diamagnetic in nature because it contains paired electrons.